How to turn on or off chat notifications on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn on or off chat notifications in the REDnote app. It's super simple, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in the profile page, simply tap on the settings. And in the settings menu, select the notification settings. And once you tap on that, find the option labeled chat and simply tap on that, because this is where you can control whether you want to turn chat notification on or off. Just tap the switch to enable or disable chat notification based on your preferences, and you are done. And that's it for the video. With this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.